Eros Energy ni HSI. Ito bibigyan natin ng feedback for tonight's video. So si Eros Energy is a freebie from the perfumes that I purchased from HSI. And ang cute ng kanilang bote. And I'm very thankful despite the fact that price that I bought it for, around 300 pesos, meron siyang free na tester or decant ng kanilang perfume na binibenta rin. Which is actually a good thing that they're doing, because kung curious ka kung ano yung ibang mga perfumes nila na binibenta, you definitely would like to try it out first bago mo bilhin. So yeah, good things that or good thing that HSI is doing this. And actually nakakatuwa kasi nga you're able to test out so many perfumes. Nagbibigay sila ng sobrang daming, nagbibigay sila ng isang bote every purchase that you do with the HSI. So let's go ahead and check it out kung ano yung amoy ng Eros Energy ni HSI. So roll din natin dito or spread natin sa ating risk. Okay. Ang unang bungad nito ni Eros Energy, amoy Versace Eros siya. Citrusy, amoy mo yung orange, amoy mo yung blood orange, mandarin, sari-saring orange na scent. Ang sarap ng amoy nito, grabe. May musk din siya ng kahit konti, pero litaw na litaw yung pagka-orange at citrus nito ni Eros Energy ni HSI. Okay. Wow, this is something that I'm interested in buying now, and I'll definitely buy a 50 ml bottle from HSI para fully test natin si Eros Energy. I think I like this scent DNA, and I will make sure to buy this. Meron din siyang actually konting black currant. Namoy ko, para siyang yung black currant sa Aventus. Yan, yun yung amoy na pagka black currant na ito. Fresh and ang bango. Sarap, sarap. Thank you HSI, by the way, for giving this tester. And napabili tuloy tayo mapapabili tayo tuloy ng di oras ng sa pambote from HSI. So good job. So for other local perfumers, I think this is a good strategy that you can also try. Maliit lang naman yung bote na pinamimigay nila, and your patrons or your buyers would be able to know the different scents that you're selling by giving them freebies like this. Okay, so yun lang. If you have any questions or suggestions on the videos that you'd like to see from this page, let me know by putting a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!